Hi, here we got Bentley GT Flying Spur 4-door 2007. Car, it came out with a small minor scratches on the body panel. We offer the customer to do complete wax and buff, plus apply the ceramic coating top of the panel. As I told you, we wash the car, we buff the car, we sand all the minor scratches. After we apply the ceramic coating all on the panels, and as you see, the car looks beautiful. The good thing with the ceramic coating, it stops the car goes from scratching and stone chip and minor damages, and it protects the car for a few years. By spending under $1,000, the car is going to be looks beautiful. Every time you go to the car wash, you only need to go to touch this car wash, and this is the finishing product you're going to get. Always nice and shiny and flawless. If you have an expensive car and you love to protect your paint, you need to do something like that, contact us at ParsMoto.ca. We're here to help you, and we can give you all the information you need. Thank you.